Want to know about the new Instagram profile theme color? Watch this video till the end to find out. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, click on the search bar at the top and type the name of the user. Likewise, go to their profile. Once there, you will notice a unique background theme color for that profile. Additionally, if the user has a special story, you may see a shiny gold ring around it. This feature gives user different background colors on the profile to make them stand out. It's Instagram way of highlighting certain user and making their content more noticeable. Finally, explore the profile of different creator to see new background colors. And that's it. I hope this video helped.